take off body here. You can start it without taking it off, but just to show you, turn the remote on first, turn the truck on. Alright, a little gas in it. When you want to prime them, you just put your finger over the exhaust and that'll push the gas to the motor. Put on the starter. That's all there is to it. Now, I don't know if you know, but if you want to stop it, all you got to do, same thing. That stops it. So you don't have to do the gas if you don't want to. Now it should start without priming it. And it's really cold, so you got to get it warmed up.
Are we done? Good.
That's it.